In today's video, I'm actually be showing you how you can start to earn some free cryptocurrency for literally just walking. This is going to be a brand new money making application that's going to pay you out in crypto just to walk. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is going to be a new money making application that has recently just came out, and it's going to pay you to literally just walk pretty much passively and earn cryptocurrency from doing so. So you can see how active I am been during the weeks and on the weekend. So this is Saturday and Sunday, or Saturday and Sunday, and we have Friday right here, which I haven't walked anything. So this is going to be a new application that you're going to get paid to literally just walk, and this is how it looks inside of the application. It pays out only in cryptocurrency, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually get started. So I'm going to be leaving the links first off down below in the description of this video so you guys can get started right away. Now all it does is just track how you're walking. So if you just start to walk right now, once you have downloaded this app, it's going to actually notify you up here and say that you're actively walking, and it's going to start to count your steps. So you can see the collected awards that I have done right here. So I walked once 1,000 steps, so that's the very first time, and it says 10,000 steps. So I'm about to reach the 100,000 steps in like another 50. So like in another week I'll be reaching the 100,000 steps, 500,000 steps, and 1 million steps. So it's just like little, I guess, trophies that you can earn right there. And look, it says Lightning Network, learn more about how miles works, why Bitcoin. So it's just different information about that, guys, but the straightforward thing to do is just walk and start to earn money. They do have offers right here, so you can play the fortune wheel, win up to 700 satoshis, or you can do these polls down here and just answer like quick questions, and you can come over here to the leaderboards and you can see how many people have walked and how much they've actually used this application passively. And you can also check your balance right here, guys. So in my week I've already earned 245 satoshis, and that might not seem like a lot to you guys, but this is passive money. This is passive income right here, and you can see this right here, guys. So look, on the 20th 20 satoshis, on the 21st 80, on the 22nd 100, on the 23rd 35, and on the 25th 10 satoshis. So you can actually withdraw to this wallet right here, and I'm actually going to show you that right now. So this is the wallet that it connects to, guys, and there's other application that actually connects to this wallet as well. You can see I only have 80 satoshis in here, and this is from just playing like a small little game. So it says those 80 satoshis is around 2 cents. So you can see how easy it is. All you have to do is just link up this wallet to that application and start to earn passive income, guys. So you can send over, but you're gonna need a minimum of 1,000 satoshis in order to send over to this wallet, which is right here. And then you can just start to save up your satoshis inside of here and just let it grow slow and surely, guys. So you have a passive way and you also have an active way if you go check out this video right here, and I'm going to be leaving that link down below in the description showing you an active way playing a game to earn satoshis with that method, guys. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here is the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you, and this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team would do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.